kinda cold, but you know you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play, what a wonderful day.
Hi friend, today we are going to Ventura Harbor Village in city of Ventura. It is located 67 miles from downtown Los Angeles. Hope you all enjoy our travel video and thank you for watching.
What a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brightening up my day. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Whoa, whoa, I love year, it's just you and me, chilling right under the tree, chilling right under the tree. Oh, we're chilling right under the tree, chilling right under the tree. Here we go, days when the rain came down in the hollow, playing a new game, laughing and a running, hey, hey, speaking and a jumping, in the mist of morning dawn, our hearts thumping up into you, brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. Whatever happened? Tuesday and so slow, going down the old man with the transistor radio, standing in the sunlight laughing behind the rainbow's wall, slipping and sliding all along the waterfalls into you, my brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. So hard to find my way now that I'm on my own. Saw you just the other day. My, how you have grown. Tapping in the midnight road, overcome sometimes thinking about making love in the green grass behind the stadium with you, my brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la?
Wonderful song.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Are you from here?
Yeah.
From
Yes,
around here?
we're from California. I'm originally from Montana.
Montana. Oh, never been there.
Cowboy.
Yeah, I should be there.
Right?
Yeah,
It's gorgeous
yeah,
up
yeah,
there.
Yeah,
It's a
should.
beautiful place.
Yeah, take a long time to drive though.
Yes,
nowadays.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
but I enjoy your music. Great.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
What's
Thank
your
you
name?
very much. My name's Noel Thompson.
Leah Feldman.
Yeah, okay. Tommy, nice to meet you.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Can we get your YouTube name?
Yeah, here, travel with Tommy. So I will upload within the next couple of weeks normally.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Nice.